Hi, in this video I will show you how to configure portlets. In every screen you can see a green icon at the bottom You can click that so that it can pull some relevant information which you can configure by yourself. Suppose if I am selecting an item and if I click the portlet button, it will bring me information about that item. The item ID, selling price, the cost of that item and the quantity available in the stock. How to configure this? When you click, you have 4 options to create a new query or to amend an existing query or to select a predefined query or to delete the existing query. Let me select an existing query which I have named as item details. Let me edit that one. You can see what is there in that query. This is the content of the query. I am selecting item ID, selling price and the cost of an item, then the stock, the unit of measurement from the item master, where item ID is equal to the temporary table used in this window is named CINV dot item ID into a temporary table. Cursor means a temporary table. That table name is C Portlet. As you can see in the title here, include cursor name C Portlet towards the end of the query. So you must name the query as C Portlet, otherwise it will system will throw an error. So this is how you configure it. If you want to bring other information from some other tables, that's fine. You can do it. You can do so by changing your query. This is just an example. So whenever your focus is on any item, when you click this button, it will bring relevant information. When you click this, you can bring information about that item. So to activate that, when you are here, you don't have to go with your mouse to bring that information. You can always use Alt and minus. Alt and minus will activate the portlet. So if you want to bring other information, for example, you want to bring the customer information or the last selling price of an item, last 10 selling price of an item. Let us do it. Let's create a new query. Let's name it. For example, let's select invoice number, comma, selling unit price from inv debtor. This is the table name where the invoice information are stored, where IT ID is equal to CINV dot IT ID. CINV dot is the temporary table used in this window for capturing the information being entered. Item ID into cursor C Portlet. Let's bring only the last 10 prices. So you can use the condition top 10, which has to be sorted by invoice number in descending order. So let's name it last price. So when you want to bring that information, then you select it as your default query for this window, last price. For the changes to take effect, you have to close this window and open it again. here is it. You have selected that query. Now you click here and select run this, click this button. You will see the last selling price for the of that item. You select the next item, you see the last selling price for the second item. If you want to bring what you call customer name along with this, you can do so by amending your query. Let me amend it so that you can bring customer information. Where you will get the customer information is from your invoice table. So let us make a small change here, saying that there are many ways. Let me join the invoice master table so that the customer information can be pulled from there. Invoice left join inv mass b. It's a name for that alias name for that table. It must be way on b dot inv now is equal to b dot inv now is equal to a dot inv now. Now you can bring here b dot c name, a dot inv now. Here also you may have to change a dot inv. Let me try this one. I have to close and come back. Here we go. Select the invoice. Now you see the customer information is there. Customer name, selling price. Like this you can bring any information. So if you want to know the table names used in this window, in any window, you can press F11, which will show a list of temporary tables. All the temporary tables will be named with a C prefix. C like this you can see. So invoice details is the temporary table used in this window. So all the tables available in this window are listed here. Even your portlet also you can see in this window. C portlet will be there, which you can export into Excel sheet when you want to do so. See portlet, see the portlet also is here. So after you pull the information there, if you want to export it into Excel, you can do so by clicking export. This is all about the portlets.